Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I recreate Jennie Met Gala 2025 look and dress to impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this hairstyle and then you can color it black, and for the makeup I use this one because I don't have custom makeup. And then we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear the withered rose set, this one. So make sure you have purchased this item, and then we're going to color it black for the first selection and also the second selection, the third selection, and the fourth selection. Okay, just color it black like this. Oops, sorry. For the sixth selection, you can leave it like that. And then I'm going to exit the dressing room and we're going to move to the next area. Okay, you can wear this hat, this one guys, and then you're going to color it black. Okay, color it black for the first selection, and we're going to move to this area and wear this item, and then I'm going to color it black like this. And let's move to this shirt. Okay, you're going to wear this shirt and toggle it classic, and then I'm going to color it black. Okay, just color it black, and then we're going to wear this shoe, this one. Okay, and the last one, you can put this flower on your top. Wait, let me show you the flower I wear. Okay, you can select this flower. Oops, sorry. You can select this flower and then you can color it white, and then you can adjust the position. Let me show you the adjustment. Okay, this is the adjustment I use for the flower. You can set the position like this and the rotation and scale it as well. You can make it bigger. Okay, let me show you one more time for the position, rotate, and also scale. And this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how I recreate Jennie in Met Gala 2025 outfit. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.